Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 6 English. Now, as we all know that is our PA2 syllabus is going on, and our PA2 syllabus is chapter 8 to chapter 10, and there is a 2 poem. Now, so chapter 10, the textual part is over. The remaining part is what? That is a grammar. Now, what is the grammar topic of this chapter? And the topic is question tags. Now, exactly the word question tags. Now, what do you mean by the question tags? So, the question tags means a question tag is a short question that follows a statement, right? Now, question tag is what? What is a question tag? Question tag is a short question. Is a short question that follows a statement. Right? It follows a statement, and that is known as question tag. Now, for example, if I am saying that we really have a such tradition in our country. Don't we? Now, these words after the comma, these words are known as what? Question tag. Now, it is a very easy topic. It's too much easy. If you know the tenses perfectly, if you know the helping verbs perfectly, and if you identify the subject properly, then you can easily make your question tags. Now remember, in question tag, you should remember subject, helping verb, and what is a tense. If these three things you know properly, then you can make your question tag you can make your question tags very clearly. But if you don't know anything, it means you will be in trouble. Now remember, in all the sentence there is a helping verbs and the subject is giving it. Just what we have to do. See that here, we is subject. Now which tense? Now it is in simple present tense, right? It is a simple present tense. So students, now I will give you some rules and also explain now what is the exactly the question tags, how can you change the question tags. See, number one, first rule is what? That if the sentence is a positive, right? If the sentence is positive, the question tag is in negative. See that if the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. Remember, you should know the subject. For example, Rohan is writing a letter. Now see that here Rohan and is. Now which tense it is? It is present continuous tense. So what is our question tag? So Rohan is a third person singular. Is, right? So we have to just change isn't he. You have a question, sir, here Rohan, and why we are using he? So we have to use here pronoun. We have to use what? Pronoun according to the subject. If here I, so we have to use here I. If here you, so we have to here is you. If here she, so we have to use she. So remember, the sentence should be there is a subject and helping verb. If there is no helping verb, so what will we do? That I will teach you later on. Then second one. Second rule is what? Same way. If the sentence is a negative, the question tag is in positive. Suppose the sentence is negative. So the question tag is positive. See that? Reverse. If positive, question tag negative. If negative, question tag positive. Example, she has not completed her homework, right? Comma, has she. Remember, whenever you are using the question tag, after the question tag, you should be put a question mark. You should put a question mark. Then and then after, your answer is right. Then, so students, here these are the two rules. Now you have a, that I told. Now you have a doubt, sir. If in the sentence there is a no auxiliary verb or no helping verb, now how can we identify or how can we write? So we all know that in some of the sentences, right? In some of the sentences, there is a no auxiliaries or helping verb. So what we have to do? So that time, if no helping verb or auxiliary verb, right? What we have to do? Now you have to use do, does, did, don't, doesn't, and didn't. Now these verbs you have to use. But remember, you should be focused on the sentence. It is in which tense. If I am writing here, she likes to singing. For she likes singing, right? Now what? See, likes. So directly, doesn't see, right? If I am saying that you walk in the garden, so don't you, right? Then Ram played cricket yesterday. So did he, right? So remember, if the sentence in simple present tense, that time we have to use do, does or did, do, does, doesn't and don't. If the sentence in simple past tense, so we have to use did or did not or didn't. Didn't. We can say that didn't. So students, these are your question tag. Now, what is the short form of the question text that I will give you? C, positive or negative. It means what? Not exactly positive and negative, but if a short form, right? Short form, we can exactly say is that short form. Here we can write down the short form, or here the main form. If we say is that do not, so don't. If says does not, so doesn't. Is not, isn't, right? Am not, so here is ain't. Am not short form is ain't. If we say that are not, so aren't. If we say did not, didn't. We can say didn't. Was not, so wasn't. Were not, so weren't. If we say that have, has, or had not, so the sentence, it means negative form, haven't, hasn't, and hadn't. If we say that will not, so here is won't. If we say that shall not, so shan't. So these are the short form of the questionnaire. So remember, these three is for what? Present continuous, it is simple past, it is past continuous, it is simple past, it is what? Present perfect and past perfect forms, and it is a simple future tense short form. So students, remember, if there is a helping verb in the sentence, so there is a no issue. If there is a no sentence, if there is a no helping verb in the sentence, so what will you do? Just identify the tense and subject, and you can your question tag easily. So students, I hope you understand these things properly, right? Now let's I will give you some examples and we discuss it, so it is easy for you, so you can change the sentence properly. Here, example: Rehana plays tennis, right? So question tag is what? Doesn't see, because it is in simple present tense. If we say that I don't look tired, I don't look tired, so do I see that here negative, here positive. If I said, right, you went to you went to market yesterday, so what? Didn't you? See, went, it is a simple past tense, so didn't you? Then, sorry, she will submit her notebook tomorrow, so wants the C. Confirmation, right? Follows the statement. So students, I hope you understand this question tag is thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.